The 36-piece headlight restoration kit is an effective solution for restoring foggy and sun-damaged headlights. This set includes 3-inch sanding discs, scouring pads, and polishing tools that work with an electric drill, making it easy to bring back clarity to aged headlights. The process is simple, with 3 straightforward steps: sanding, polishing, and sealing. The included materials help remove oxidation, yellowing, and scratches, improving both the appearance and functionality of headlights. It is a cost-effective alternative to replacing headlights and offers professional quality results from home. One of the standout features of this kit is its versatile range of sanding discs and scouring pads, allowing users to choose the right level of abrasiveness for their needs. The drill attachment enhances efficiency, making the restoration process quicker compared to manual scrubbing. After using the kit, headlights look significantly clearer, and the improved brightness enhances nighttime driving safety.